Sarah and Luca need a new television for the apartment they share. With the wide range offered by Interdiscount, they can conveniently compare all models in the online shop. 3 televisions have made the final selection. Because they don't want to buy a pig in a poke, they'd like to get an impression of the quality on site. No problem, thanks to Interdiscount's dense network of stores. Sarah and Luca thus take a spontaneous trip to the closest Interdiscount store around the corner. Not only do they get a personal impression of the television, but they also receive competent, helpful advice from qualified staff. The employee points out details they wouldn't have even noticed. Consultation today. That's the one, modern and innovative. But Sarah and Luca don't want to jump the gun. At home, they go through the details once more and place their order online that evening. The best part of all, everything ordered before 8 p.m. is delivered the next day. Just one more step before they get the new TV, home delivery or pickup at the store. Of course, they choose home delivery. The order placed that evening will be at their doorstep the next day. How awesome! And Interdiscount isn't only available to private individuals. Business customers also benefit from an array of advantages, such as purchasing on account or annual sales bonuses. Don't miss out. Benefit from our comprehensive offering both in the store and online. Shopping as it suits you.